ago. The child we seek does indeed go. On love alone, he will build his kingdom, his peace at hand. Will hold no scepter, his haloed head will wear no crown. His might will not be built on your toil. Swifter than lightning, he will soon walk among us. He will bring us new life and receive our death, and the keys to his city belong to the poor. Let us leave, my friends,